Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the premier Maurice Lacroix Aikon in bronze. The Aikon, as a go-anywhere, do-anything watch on an integrated strap or bracelet, is a well-established affordable alternative if you are not prepared to at least sell your car just to buy your AP Royal Oak. Its newest rendition has the case made from bronze. Unlike stainless steel or precious materials for that matter, bronze will naturally patina through oxygenation of its surface. Some love the effect, some just can't stand it. But if you don't rush the process and allow it to develop naturally, the surface of the case can become as hard as steel. Just be prepared to deal with some bluish stains on your wrists from time to time. What makes the Aikon stand out is the dial, the elegant pattern, the minimalist yet crisp indices, the slender hands. But why does it have to be in a size from the previous decade? Granted, it has manageably short lugs, but with 42 millimeters across the case, it's a giant dial on your wrist. Make sure you are ready to pull this kind of look. At the back of the Aikon, there is no surprise. A Sellita SW200-1 with Maurice Lacroix branded rotor. Just 38 hours of power reserve, but servicing it costs next to nothing. Speaking of the cost, the price is €2,500. It's a limited edition of 888 watches. If you like the watch, but the bronze case is not for you, there's no shortage of stainless steel Aikons to choose from, in various smaller sizes too. Do check those out. Hey, it's nice you are still here. We're grateful, and hope to see you in the next one.